Well, our farmers don't always pray for rain. Sometimes it actually puts a damper on things like harvest season. Kaylee Galaviz joins us now live to show us how the recent rain and the cold weather are affecting our farmers and what it could mean for all of us as consumers. Kaylee.
Yes, Todd, right now farmers should be out harvesting their crops, especially potatoes and alfalfa. But the recent weather is quite literally raining on their parade, slowing down operation.
Weather's a constant challenge for farming. And we can control the things that we can control, but we can't control the weather. And so we just have to learn how to roll with the punches.
Harvest season is not off to a great start. I'm told potatoes are very picky crops. To produce and harvest quality spuds, it can't be too hot, it can't be too cold, it has to be just right. But it's nearly impossible to get them out of the ground when it's wet and muddy. The mud could pose major problems and threats to equipment, like getting stuck in the mud and tangled in vines.
Think of it like a spaghetti noodle. Spaghetti noodle, when they're dry, they'll break up and just go away. But if you get them wet, you can wrap them on everything. And that's kind of what potato vines will do. They'll wrap up on any turning shafts, the trucks, they'll wrap around drive lines.
Farmers are having to slow production, not only due to weather, but now to ensure the equipment is clean and usable to avoid damaging the crop. But there's still time to get the spuds out of the ground before it's too late. As for the alfalfa harvest, time is running out, and the weather isn't helping this crop either.
Potato harvest can be slow, and they can still harvest a good crop. Alfalfa hay, on the other hand, as you get the windrows wet, they lose quality. The quality goes downhill quite fast on that feed value. And so you go from premium dairy hay to feeder hay that's not worth near as much money. So it's quite an economic loss.
Now, although it is a slower harvest season, I'm told it's not really expected to affect consumers much at all. They say it will only start to become a bigger issue if temperatures drop around 20 degrees during the harvest. Reporting in Bonneville County, I'm Kaylee Galaviz.
Okay, we'll check that forecast coming up in a little bit. Kaylee, thanks for that.